All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show for goldandsilvertoday.com. Now, you may be wondering, well, how long will this dollar strength, this dollar surge last? Now, for me, I think it won't last too long. And for a particular analyst, he thinks specifically that it will last for 3 months, 3 months more. And some of the other analysts that are mentioned in this report that I'm going to show you also said that, hey, it's done already. So let's see what exactly is going on. I'll throw in a possible external wrench into the system as well, as far as, you know, maybe extending the dollar surge, just a possibility. But let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below when I do mention this. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so dollar strength to be short-lived, volatility and weakness ahead. Now, I will say silver will likely benefit from the new stimulus that, you know, is going to be passed. This will surely add some pressure onto the dollar. And it definitely will once all of this volatility is out of the system. But in the near term, let's see what could be happening. Let's get started. The recent surge in the US dollar will last less than 3 months, according to a majority of foreign exchange strategists polled by Reuters, who said the greenback would have a roller coaster ride in the run-up to the US presidential election. Now, that's something that we've been talking about, you know, particularly that, you know, one of my stacking strategies is actually kind of waiting towards that time, hoping that the dollar will kind of rise a little bit more so silver prices can get pushed down. And then that's when I'm going to go after those silver maple leaves. Let's continue. In September, the dollar rose more than 2%, its best monthly performance this year. But the greenback is still down more than 3% in 2020, a loss which was not expected to be recouped over the coming year, according to the Reuters poll of around 80 strategists taken between September 28th and October 5th. While last week's ill-tempered debate between President Donald Trump and Democratic challenger Joe Biden reinforced concerns the outcome of the November 3rd presidential election could be questioned and boosted the greenback, hopes for U.S. stimulus have had markets in the mood for riskier bets. The expected pull and push in the currency market in the lead up to the election was underscored by the wide range of forecasts in the 1 month ahead predictions compared to the previous month. While Trump's positive test and data on U.S. currency futures positions point to upside potential in the dollar's recovery, nearly 3/4 of analysts, 54 of 75, in response to an additional question, said the greenback's recent surge would last less than 3 months. That included 13 respondents who said the dollar's run-up was already over, while the remaining 21 predicted it to run for over 3 months. The outlook for the next month is messy, to be honest, because of the U.S. election, but the dollar will benefit from the ongoing political uncertainty in the next few weeks, said Kit Chukis, head of FX strategy at Societe Generale. Now, the monkey, or is it the wrench? I forget what the term is, but the wrench being thrown into this scenario will be, you know, in my opinion, the potential for a contested election result. Now, if that does happen, it would reflect the VIX futures that we have been seeing remaining relatively high going into next year. But honestly, once everything has kind of settled regarding the election, you know, post-inauguration, all of that, I can only imagine volatility to start trending lower and the dollar strength to start subsiding. And by then, we probably have already had that, you know, that stimulus bill already being passed. And I can only imagine silver prices really going up and gold really going up. But guys, let me know what your thoughts are on a contested election. Do you think that will happen? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.